I'm really hungry after waking up for the springtime. Wonder if there's any food around here.
Oh, hello.
Hey, Mr. Elephant, how are you?
I'm pretty good. You must be still sleepy.
I'm pretty sleepy, but I'm I'm hungry now. You know where there's some food?
Yeah, let's go get some.
Hi. Today's family art challenge is a puppet show. I know you must have some puppets around your house. So put on a little puppet show and send it to studionewrichmond@gmail.com, and we're going to put it on our show.